All right, folks, grab your coffee and buckle up, because we've got a Google-centric news blast coming your way. Today, Google is making headlines with not one, not two, but three juicy stories. Let's dive right in. First up, Google's stirring the pot in the cannabis industry. With the weed market growing faster than your houseplants die, retailers need to up their game, and Google is throwing them a lifeline. The tech giant is leveraging its suite of digital tools and AI capabilities to revolutionize cannabis retail. Picture this: cannabis businesses using advanced SEO strategies and tools like SEMrush and Google Analytics to boost their visibility online. Even though Google Ads says no thank you to cannabis promotions, the analytics data you get can still fine-tune your marketing strategy like Gordon Ramsay seasons his dishes, perfectly and with a bit of flair. Google's AI, along with platforms like HubSpot and Zoho CRM, is on a mission to ensure that the right customers see the right products at the right times. You know those annoying but sometimes relevant ads we all see? That's AI at work. Retailers are also automating emails and social posts using MailChimp and Hootsuite, saving time and keeping the message consistent. Integrate Zoho CRM with your POS systems and boom, you've got a recipe for happy, loyal customers. Genius, right? Moving on, let's take a trip across the pond to the UK, where Google's got regulators frowning. Britain's Competition and Markets Authority has called Google out for allegedly using its dominant position in online display advertising to squash competition. Done, done, done. Google's been accused of giving its own ad tech services a leg up, disadvantaging every other player in the game. The CMA says this unfair play limits competitors and keeps the playing field about as level as a roller coaster. According to Juliet Onser at CMA, effective competition is crucial for the free content we all love. Without it, things get messy. Google's defense? They argue the CMA's got it wrong. Google insists their tools help fund content and allow businesses of all sizes to reach new customers. In the end, this regulatory braiding could stir echoes of the past when Microsoft faced similar antitrust scrutiny. Stay tuned, folks. This might get bumpy. Last but not least, we're getting futuristic with Google Photos. They're rolling out Ask Photos, an AI assistant that uses their Gemini models to make finding that photo from last year's chaotic office party a breeze. Over in Google Labs in the US, super lucky users are testing it out. With a simple question, this tool can sift through your photo chaos, pick out the highlights, or pinpoint that picture where you finally nailed a backflip. Users can even ask for photo suggestions from events or compile summaries of their last vacation, ensuring you never forget about that quaint cafe in Paris. This feature is coming to Android and iOS and is set to revolutionize how we search our digital treasure troves. You'll see the classic search get a conversational upgrade. And the best part? Google Photos doesn't use your pics for ads, so your secret selfies are safe. Phew. In summary, today's Google News is a roller coaster of innovation, regulatory drama, and futuristic convenience. Whether they're shaking up cannabis retail, ruffling regulators' feathers, or making your photo-sifting tasks easier than ever, Google really is the gift that keeps on giving. Catch you all later for more tech updates. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.